Many still think coconut oil is bad because it's high in saturated fat. And because of this, it raises cholesterol, therefore increasing risk of cardiovascular disease. These are old dogmatic ideas created by Ansel Keys and still spread by such big organizations like the American Heart Association. Eating coconut oil does raise your cholesterol levels, but in a positive way, by raising HDL cholesterol, which is the good cholesterol, lowering your triglycerides, and decreasing the amount of small LDL particles. And remember, small dense LDL particles increase the risk of heart disease. So once again, we need to look at the big picture and not focus on one number to make an informed decision about one's health. I work extensively to educate people with metabolic damage on how to create a personalized lifestyle using food, nutrition, and behavior concepts to achieve long-term health success. To learn more, go to heartfulfoods.com.